How to fix swipe reply option on your Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do is very simple and easy. First thing is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. After that, open the apps like this and then you have to wait a few seconds. After you wait, now you have to scroll like this until you find Instagram app. When you find it, click here on this option and then go to the storage. It will start computing the data number that you have on your Instagram, so you have to wait a few seconds. After that, you have to click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details and then go to the power consumption alert and disable it like this. And then go down to the power analysis and click here on this force stop to stop running the power analysis. Go back. Now last thing, open the Play Store and update your Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.